Hello and welcome back again. So in this lesson we're going to be looking at sidebars of how you can add content around on the side of this side of your blog. So depending on your theme, some of the themes will allow you to and some of the themes won't. Okay, so I'm just going to go and click on customize. Click on customize. I'm going to go to, on the left panel I have to find sidebars. Okay, and then on the side I click on sidebars. Once I click on sidebar, as you can see that I've selected to say I need the right sidebar to see some content. I should see some content, and then again it's not appearing here. So what you have to do is to, okay, why is not appearing? So we need to figure out. These are some of the things that you are going to you have to figure out actually. So I'm going to go to blog, okay, and then I'm going to go to single post, okay, and then what I need to do is to select that on the post I need the right sidebar to be to show something. And then what I can then do now is that you need also to play around with these question marks. Okay, as you can see that it says sidebar will only apply when the container is set to normal. This container is set to normal, so we need to scroll up. This is default, this is narrow, this is over full width, and this is normal. Once you select normal, we're going to be able to see the sidebar, I guess. Let's see if that text is actually loading. As you can see now we have a bar here. Now we've added the sidebar. Let us go ahead and then we go and click on the blog. Then as you can see now we have a sidebar here, and then if we click here to open up, we're going to see another sidebar of information that we have actually added. These are recent posts, recent comments. So this will help people to navigate your website. But there's something that I don't like that just took place. I just only want this sidebar to appear on the blog post actually, not on the blog archive page, because I just need to see tiles of what I need to see. So I can just go and customize. Remember, it's all about what you want. What you may want is not what I want. What I want is may not be what you want. So I just need to try and see if I can fix that. I've just clicked on customize, and what I'm looking for is what am I looking for? I'm looking for the blog archive page. I'm looking for the blog archive page. Let me just go there, and then I go on blog archive page, and I need to hide the sidebar content. Let's see what we have here. Okay, if I have the layout, okay, I'd say no sidebar. I don't want sidebar on the archive content. Let me see if that is going to go away. It's actually refreshing. Okay, the sidebar has actually been removed. Only on, let me just see if I can go to the actual website. Okay, let's see if I can click on that. So now this bar is actually appearing on the blog, and then if I go to the blog archive page, the sidebar is no longer there. That's how basically you work with this. And then now in the next video I want to talk about widgets. I want to talk about these widgets, on how you can actually customize them, how you can have what you want to appear here. With that said, let us know if you prefer using sidebars or not, and thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.